Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a hot topic. Generation Z. Are we really the strawberry generation or are we more like the sandwich generation? So, let's find out.
First, let's define who Gen Z is. Gen Z born between 1997 and 2012. Gen Z is currently the second youngest generation, with millennials before and Generation Alpha after. They are called digital native, the first generation to grow up with the internet as a part of daily life.
Strawberry generation is a term that describes the phenomenon of today's young generation, where they usually have high ideas and creativity, but when given a little pressure, they break easily like strawberries. As mentioned by Professor Renal Kasali in his book entitled Strawberry Generation, he stated that this generation is a generation that has many bright ideas and high creativity, but unfortunately, they are very easy to give up, easily hurt, slow, selfish, and pessimistic about the future. If traced back, the term strawberry generation first appeared in Taiwan to describe the younger generation who were born after 1981 and have difficulty dealing with social pressure unlike their parents when they were young.
The strawberry generation stereotype suggests that Gen Z is delicate, easily hurt, and unable to handle pressure. The stereotype about the strawberry generation is that this generation has high ideas and creativity, but easily gives up when under pressure in life, easy to give up when facing problems, want to achieve success easily and quickly, has a high sense of laziness, and difficult to accept criticism and emotional in responding to difference of opinion. In fact, a business training platform in Austin, Texas, United States, revealed that as many as 93% of Gen Z have taken steps towards exploring business ownership. In line with Zen Business, a survey conducted by global nutrition company Herbalife Nutrition also found that 72% of Gen Z and millennials in Asia Pacific aspire to become entrepreneurs or have their own business. Even though they are enthusiastic about building their own business, according to a survey conducted by global accounting consulting company Deloitte Touche Tohmatsu, Gen Z wants a balance between work and life. They don't like to live just to work and work.
The sandwich generation refers to people who are carrying their children and aging parents. But can this apply to Gen Z? Absolutely, Gen Z can be the sandwich generation in this era.
While we're young, some of us are already taking on significant responsibilities, balancing work, education, and family support. Being a sandwich generation at their current age places too much pressure on some people. Also, they should be breadwinners for themselves in their careers at this age. They become breadwinners for their families. This is admirable, but they can't afford to spend more money on enjoying their youth in their mid-20s. And some of them believe they haven't matured enough to face reality in the future.
Let's hear from some of you. Do you see yourself as part of the strawberry generation or the sandwich generation?
Menurut aku termasuk ke dalam strawberry generation karena aku orangnya gampang kepikiran.
Menurut saya adalah sandwich generation. Alasannya adalah karena saya lebih ke tidak mendapat tekanan dari orang tua, tapi karena saya anak pertama, jadi saya ingin membantu orang tua saya.
Menurut aku orangnya termasuk ke dua-duanya. Jadi bisa di sandwich, bisa di strawberry karena aku tuh gampang kepikiran, suka mikirin hal-hal yang gak jelas. Pokoknya apapun itu masih kepikiran. Terus juga kalau di sandwich generation, aku kan juga sama-sama anak pertama ya, kayak aku tuh harus bisa tanpa batin gitulah, harus membantu orang tua gitu juga.
So, what do you think? Are we the strawberry generation or the sandwich generation? Maybe we're a bit of both, but one thing for sure, Gen Z is defining its own path.